Audio Jungle.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Fatima Iznor Yahya and I will represent my group members regarding our product which is Finstate Fundamentals. For your information, Finstate Fundamentals is an e-guidebook designed to empower various audiences including students from non-finance background, online learners and individuals interested in personal finance. Before we begin, let's take a moment to introduce our group members. Starting from the left, we have Nurul, Shafiqah, Azman, followed by one Fareeza, one Ahmad. Our advisor is Shahreena, Daud. Next, we have Fatima, Iznor, Yahya. Last but not least, Muhammad, Khairil, Azril, Abdul, Razak. The table of contents consists of all this information including team members, background, problem statement, objective, novelty, benefits for users, commercialization, conclusion and e-guidebooks link. Finstate Fundamentals is a user-friendly e-guidebook that simplifies the understanding of financial statement. With clear language, step-by-step guides and attractive exercise, it helps you utilize these statements for budgeting, investing and more. By covering balance sheet, income statement and cash flow statement, it enables informed financial decision and goal achievement. Understanding financial statement can be tough for beginners due to technical terms and varying formats, creating a knowledge gap. This makes it hard to interpret statement and make informed financial decision. Most finance resources lack simplicity and interactive elements, leaving many feeling lost and overwhelmed. Hence, Finstate Fundamentals bridges this gap, making financial education accessible and easy to understand. The objective of creating this e-guidebook is to improve users' financial literacy, giving them the skill for effective decision-making. We aim to make complex financial concepts easy for beginners with clear explanation and practical example. We also strive to create an engaging learning experience with multimedia elements like notes, video animation, and interactive activities, making learning financial concepts fun and accessible. At Finstate Fundamentals, we believe financial education should be engaging and empowering. Our e-guidebooks cater to different learning styles to keep users captivated. Using dynamic videos and animated visuals, we simplify complex financial ideas, making them clear and easy to understand for beginners. Each e-guidebook provides comprehensive notes for reference and interactive activities that make learning fun and memorable. Join us on this journey to unlock your financial potential with our user-friendly learning resources. Now, I will explain the benefits of Finstate Fundamentals. It helps beginners improve their financial skill and understand financial statement, leading to better personal financial management, including budgeting, saving, and investing. Then, users can make informed decisions, evaluate financial opportunities, manage credit, and plan effectively. This skill also support organizational efficiency, contributing to overall economic stability and growth. Our e-guidebook is ideal for educational institutions, professional training, and online learning, boosting financial literacy globally. It meets the demand for accessible financial education by equipping users with essential knowledge and skill. By simplifying finance, Finstate Fundamentals help users manage money confidently, supports informed decision-making, and empowers people to pursue financial goals effectively. In conclusion, Finstate Fundamentals simplify finance for beginners with its easy-to-use e-guidebook. Practical example and interactive feature clarify complex concepts, improving understanding of key financial statements and enhancing decision-making skill. With engaging multimedia, it empowers users to manage their money better and make informed choices. Take control of your financial future with Finstate Fundamentals. This is our e-guidebook link and QR code that navigate you to the web page. How to use the e-guidebook? First, scan the QR code or click the link to navigate to the web page. Once the web page loads, click on the book to start reading as usual. Thank you for joining us on this journey of understanding financial statement. Apply this knowledge to make better financial decisions in your life. Your understanding will lead to informed choices and financial success. Don't forget to like and share.